Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can resolve could not get lock via lib dpkg lock error message when you're trying to do app upgrade and update your operating system. Let me show you how I come about with that problem here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to SSH into my Linux box using this command, and I'm going to log in with my user credential, and at the same time I'm going to do sudo su and then log in with my user credential. So once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to issue an app update and upgrade command using this command here, sudo app update and sudo apt upgrade, and with a Y indicating that yes to everything. You can see in a bit after a few moments here, once this goes through, it will tell you that the one of the file is locked and you could not upgrade it like that, could not get lock via front end. This is normally due to the fact that the automatic update, similar to like Windows has, is currently updating. So you can actually see that automatic update process, see if it's running or not on the background. So I'm going to press Ctrl C to stop it and clear it. So if you do this command here, ps as in process, aux, and grep the apt, you can see that let me minimize this a bit more so you can see clearly. You can see that this apt.systemd.daily install is running. This is the one that is actually updating your Ubuntu system here. So if you see this, it means that the Ubuntu is automatically updating your system on the background. So all you have to do on this setup is to wait a bit for this process to be completed, and then you can update it. It's not advisable to actually kill this process ID and then hopefully it starts, because we don't know at what state is this installation is being done. It's like Windows update, you don't kill halfway through, right? So, but what you can do is you can actually disable these automatic upgrades and updates using your nano. So what you have to do is that enter this command, sudo nano etc here, and edit this file here, hit enter. And then here, if you don't want any updates or upgrades, you're going to put this to 0. So which means any automatic update or upgrade will be ignored, both attended and manually system updated. But if you don't want, you only want update package list, you turn on this and unattended upgrade will be ignored. So normally what I do is I put both of them 0 so that I can manually control myself. Once that's done on a nano, you press Ctrl X to exit and say yes to save. If this tutorial helps, please like and subscribe. Other than that, have a good day. Bye now.